Galab shout out everyone. Mga sisi ko, inom tayo ng karakter. Hello everyone. Actually, the restaurant there in front of me, but there's a lot of people there, so I came here behind the building to drink my karakter. This is a special tea here in the Middle East. They call it karak tea. Yes. Shout out everyone. Sakoniko, shout out. You are best. Come, let us drink tea. Adding love trouble music. Shout out. Shout out guys. Shout out all of you. Sisi ko yagbiag blagat kon si halika mag-bring tayo ng karakter. And sisi ko job sinaway, sisi ko Laren director, sisi ko Nana anyway, si Adding Love Trouble Music. Halika magkape tayo. Ay, minom tayo ng tea. Actually, baka mamayang gabi ang Eid or might be tomorrow. So, here iftar na dito, iftar. Siguro last na fasting ngayong gabi. Naku, may pusa. Naku, pusa, maitim pa naman. Dito ako sa likod umiinom ng karakter kasi doon napakaraming tao, tapos napakaraming lalaki. Alam niyo pa, pagka makakita sila ng babae, yung mga mata, Diyos ko, hindi ko ba alam sa mga lalaki dito pag nakakita ng babae, hindi na sila mapakali pag makakita ng mga babae. Kaya dito na ako mag-tea. Mas maganda dito na lang ako mag-tea sa mga sisiko. So kaya agbiag-vlog at concept. Thank you to all of you guys. Happy, blessed Saturday night. Tomorrow is Sunday. Shout out all of you guys. Mga sisikoy, shout out. Actually, dito mga 7 p.m. already here. Here in Dubai. Ayun ang building namin, no? Ayan. Building. So, yung restaurant or cafeteria dun sa harap. Pero hindi na ako nagtatambay dun kasi alam nyo na maraming boys. Ang lola nyo allergic na sa boys. Shout out sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, anak, ingat lagi dyan, konting-konting is na lang anak mo. Huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo, yung kinakain, ingatan ng mga kinakain, alam mo na. Saka sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, sis, Eid Mubarak in advance na. Tapos na ang consumption nyo dyan. Na hindi ka naluto ng luto. Here is they call it here karak tea. Actually this usually drinking for the Indian people and Arabic people, any nationality. And I learned already to drink like this because long years I'm working here in Dubai. So I learned to eat biryani. Um, what do you call that? But the foods here also very yummy, delicious. I mean, the Arabic food is I love also, and Indian food also is nice. Very nice too. Of course, Filipino. Meron din tayong Filipino foods dito. Pwede ka rin magluto kung gusto mo ng Filipino foods. Meron din ano dito, meron din baboy, pero siyempre patago. Patago-tago, hindi pwedeng makita na kinakain mo. At saka, matagal na akong hindi kumakain ng baboy. Shout out to all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting my small YouTube channel and to those supporting my simple videos. Thank you. And I would like to thank to those playing my playlist. Thank you so much. Meros TV, shout out. And to all my sisi ko, hindi ko na kayong maisa-isa lahat. Shout out to all of you guys. Happy blessed Saturday night. Today is March 29, 2025. Bye-bye. See you next time. Till next time. Till next time, I love you all. May God, Allah, bless us all. Rose the Melod Black. All the way from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Thank you.